This is Motorola Edge 30 Neo smartphone, and in today's video we will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll launch the settings, enter the display category and expand the available values for the screen timeout feature, we'll be able to clearly see that the highest we can go by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Thus, if you would like to set this value to never, we are going to use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. Once the needed application is found, we'll just go ahead and download it as well as install. Now all that it's left to do is to launch the Caffeine app itself and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, like it is in my case at the moment. And well, basically, as long as the Caffeine app will be kept active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.